Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Wednesday. It's going to be a wonderful Wednesday. Last night we were in Cyprus. Oh, I know I use that expression a lot. Oh, the zucchini omelet, because I can't pronounce the Greek, was absolutely wonderful. If you haven't seen the photos or the video, please look it up. It is a wonderful dish. We're going to make a little stop up north today in Germany again. This is not an official culinary expedition stop. I picked this recipe because I think it's just fun. And I love onions. I'm not going to attempt the German, but it translates to German onion pie. Let's get to it. Hardware's out. I'm using the brazier instead of my saute pan because I like the surface area that I get with the brazier for this to caramelize the onions. A little fry pan because there's bacon in this recipe. I discovered last week that this, what I call the scampi boat, makes perfect for a half pie. So obviously there's going to be onions, 2 whole onions, a little bit of sugar to help the caramelization, some kosher salt, black pepper, Gruyere, I think I'm saying that right, cheese, which I actually found at Winco, and it was reasonably priced. Butter, sour cream, a couple eggs, some nutmeg, there's the bacon, and I am going to be trying Winco's version of their pie crust versus Pillsbury. So here's all the goodies for tonight's German onion pie. A lot going on here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen behind the scenes. Just bear with me. I'm going to start rolling things out. So with that, on this wonderful Wednesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.